Do you want to extend battery life on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can use power saving mode. Let me show you how it works. First, open setting, scroll down and tap battery, scroll down the screen, type power saving, turn it on. Here you will see two modes, standard and maximum. You will see an estimate of how long your battery will last with each mode. Standard mode helps extend battery life while still keeping most features usable. It limits background activity like syncing, location, and network usage. You can also tap the settings icon to adjust options like limiting CPU speed, reducing brightness, or turning on dark mode. Go back to the previous screen. The next mode is maximum, which is more aggressive. It limits almost all background activity and notification except for essential apps you choose. This mode is useful when your battery is very low and you need it to last as long as possible. You can also manage which apps are allowed by tapping the settings icon. Keep in mind, actual battery life may vary depending on your usage. And that's how you use power saving mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.